What if I told you that some of India's top startups are paying hundreds of crores in taxes just to move back home? Yes, Meesho, Razorpay, Groww, Zepto, PhonePe, they're all spending big to shift their headquarters to India. And no, they weren't always based here, at least not on paper. Confused? Let's break it down. In this edition of Markets This Week, we are unpacking the buzzword reverse flip and why it's suddenly all the rage in India's startup scene. So what's a reverse flip after all? A lot of Indian startups, when they first raise money, set up their parent companies abroad, mostly in Delaware, US. Why Delaware? Well, it's simple. It makes it easier to access global investors, join accelerators like Y Combinator, and plug into the Silicon Valley ecosystem. But now the tide is turning. These startups are flipping their base back to India, a move called a reverse flip. Let's take Meesho. The e-commerce giant just got approval from the National Company Law Tribunal to move its headquarters from Delaware to India. But this move comes with a monster price tag, 2,461 crore rupees or $288 million in taxes to the US government. Why so expensive? Because the US treats the shift as a taxable event similar to selling off the company. And Meesho isn't alone. Razorpay is expected to pay around 1,245 crore rupees. Groww already has shelled out 1,340 crore rupees last year, and PhonePe, it leads the pack with a jaw-dropping 8,000 crore rupees tax bill. So why are they all doing this? Because India is where the action is. These startups' customers, teams, logistics, sellers, everything is here. And when it comes to going public, investors want Indian startups to list on Indian stock exchanges. Being legally based in India makes IPOs simpler, more transparent, and potentially more profitable. It also aligns with the growing Make in India, List in India narrative that regulators and investors are pushing for. In short, it's an expensive move now, but a smart bet on the future. That's all for Markets This Week. If you found this explainer helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Business Standard for more easy to understand market-related updates.